Hi guys, you know how in all my videos I'm always talking about pepper mix this, pepper mix that. So I thought today I'll show you the perfect pepper mix which you can use for your tomato stew, for your jollof rice, and for basically anything, okay? So you need tatashe tomatoes, you need shombo, Scotch bonnet peppers. So my tatashe has been cut open and cleaned out, and then I should point it out to you that my tatashe is a whole lot more than my tomatoes, and that is the secret to the perfect pepper mix. Once you get this mixture, half of your work is done. So my pepper mix is all done now. It is time to blend it into a smooth puree, and I'm using my Butchie Mix blender. Guys, this blender is the best blender I've ever used since I started using it sometimes last year. If you remember, I also did a review on it, and wow, this blender performs. It answers me. It crushes everything that I want to crush in a jiffy. Guys, this is my blender, Butchie Mix.